Hello, and welcome to Virola Corporate Messenger. Virola is a powerful business communication tool that will help to unite your distributed team, coordinate teamwork, and provide a secure collaboration environment. Virola has two installation options. You can choose either cloud server to store your data or install it on your dedicated server to keep your sensitive data in-house and fully protected from any third parties. Virola has many useful features which will help you to organize your distributed teamwork. Let's explore them. You can create both private chat rooms for personal communication and group chat rooms for specific topics, departments, and user groups, and hold a voice meeting in a certain room. It's very easy. Just click on the headphone button to start listening and microphone button to start talking to the room participants. Actually, you can participate in voice meetings in several rooms at the same time, if you're sure you can handle that. Continuous voice meetings will improve both team connectivity and productivity. You can easily schedule meetings and define agendas for them. Virola allows file transfers of any size, and they can be stored permanently in a certain chat room. In Virola, you can share your screen, make demonstrations, or give a presentation to your colleagues. This is a great tool if you want to explain your ideas visually. Also, you can create tasks and assign them to your team members right from within a group or private chat. The built-in issue tracking system will help you to monitor tasks' progress and your team members' workload. You will always know at what stage your project is. As a Virola admin, you can manage your team members' profiles and their roles if necessary. That's it. With these essential tools, you can organize effective and comfortable work of your distributed team. Please visit our website, Virola.io, and take advantage of our free trial.